Nana Lupita and the Magic Sopita. I'll light this for everyone who watches. For good energy. Well, I don't think of being a curandera as a job. I find it more as like an offering and a gift. And the kitchen for me was like a place that I found a lot of healing. Nana is a curandera, a traditional folk healer. People come from all over the neighborhood to visit and tell my Nana about their backs, their heads, or how they can't sleep. Nana says to them, I have just the remedio for you. You know, this mountain, it's full of this milky quartz, and it's in its raw form, right? It's not been tumbled or cut into any special shape. But it just also is reminding me of just like how people feel that when something's really cut perfectly, it's better than these. And it brought to mind what people say, the trend of superfoods. And to me, all food is superfood or sacred food. There's no like one food is better than the other. We are just being sold so many things and it's just being repackaged. Lifestyle, wellness, all of these things. And it's like the original keepers, we all understood indigenous wisdom and we still do. Just go back to how our ancestors were. Take the positive pieces. All of this land has a story and a secret, and you can't just come here and take it and not want to listen, or at least I can't. I want to listen and hear what it has to say. So from my book, Nana Lupita and the Magic Sopita that the Nana makes, it's actually made with fideo, which is like a thin spaghetti. Because of tonight's gathering of friends, I wanted to add a pozole corn in there because it's part of my family's history and story. So when I eat heirloom corn that has sometimes been carried in little pouches and saved with families for so many generations, you feel that. And there's history and stories and prayers connected to that corn that you don't get when you're just getting a monocrop. And it's not simply just because it's good for your body physically. I see it as helping everything. Eating that corn, that's ancestral work. That's spiritual work. The kitchen smelled like a giant corn tortilla, and there was so much steam my glasses got foggy. There were ingredients everywhere. The volcano bowl was out, and Nana was singing. Sana, sana, colita de rana, sina, sana. Okay, to Nana Lupita.
Yes. Thank you, Nana Lupita.
Thank you, Nana Lupita. I just want to taste it from here. I love that it's an instrument of communication for me. It's probably like my biggest love language. especially if I'm preparing it for someone that's maybe not feeling well, I will just take a moment and just ask that the ingredients all do what they need to do, carrying everything within me as well to whoever is going to receive it. I really do my best to steer people back to just whatever their ancestral way as of, their ancestors ate. And to me, that's not a trend because that's been around for thousands of years. You don't even have to wait until New Year's to get started on that journey if you're trying to reclaim your health and your wellness. The end.